Come test drive the 2016 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, heated front seats, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.